Argentina, the second largest country in South America, is a land of captivating diversity, stretching from the subtropical jungles in the north to the icy glaciers of Patagonia in the south. Known for its passionate tango music, succulent steaks, and fervent football culture, Argentina is also home to a stunning array of cities that each tell a unique story. From the cosmopolitan pulse of Buenos Aires to the tranquil beauty of Andean towns, every corner of the country offers something special for travelers. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 cities in Argentina, each one offering its own distinct blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. Let's begin our journey through this extraordinary country. Buenos Aires, the vibrant capital of Argentina, is a city that never sleeps. Known as the Paris of South America, Buenos Aires is rich in European architecture, eclectic neighborhoods, and passionate culture. From the colorful streets of La Boca to the elegant avenues of Recoleta, the city is a melting pot of traditions and modern life. Visitors can enjoy world-class tango performances, explore museums like Malba and Museo Nacional de Bellas Artes, or dine at parrillas serving Argentina's iconic beef. Whether strolling through Palermo's trendy boutiques or watching a football match at La Bombonera, Buenos Aires offers an unforgettable urban experience full of soul and style. Córdoba, located in the heart of Argentina, is the country's second-largest city, and a hub for education and culture. Known for its colonial-era buildings and historic Jesuit sites, the city combines tradition with a youthful energy driven by its large student population. Visitors can explore the Manzana Jesuitica, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, or relax in the nearby Sierras de Córdoba, which offer breathtaking views and outdoor adventures. Córdoba's vibrant nightlife, lively plazas, and impressive art scene make it a dynamic destination that bridges the old and the new. Nestled at the foothills of the Andes, Mendoza is the epicenter of Argentina's wine country, and a paradise for lovers of Malbec and mountain views. The region's vineyards stretch across sun-drenched plains, producing some of the finest wines in the world. Visitors can tour wineries, enjoy tastings, or cycle through the scenic Luján de Cuyo and Valle de Uco areas. Mendoza also serves as a gateway to Aconcagua, the highest peak in the Americas, making it a top spot for hikers and climbers. With its laid-back vibe, tree-lined streets, and gourmet cuisine, Mendoza is a perfect blend of nature and indulgence. San Carlos de Bariloche, commonly known as Bariloche, is a picturesque city in the Andes surrounded by stunning lakes and mountains. Often compared to the Swiss Alps, Bariloche is famous for its chocolate shops, wooden chalets, and breathtaking landscapes. It's a year-round destination, a winter wonderland for skiing and snowboarding, and a summer haven for hiking, kayaking, and fishing. Located within the Nahuel Huapi National Park, Bariloche invites travelers to immerse themselves in the natural splendor of Patagonia while enjoying warm hospitality and cozy cafes. Rosario, situated on the banks of the Parana River, is a culturally rich city known as the birthplace of the Argentine flag. A walk along the riverside promenade offers stunning views, public art, and a taste of local life. The city boasts beautiful neoclassical architecture, a buzzing art scene, and a strong sense of pride in its historical significance. Rosario is also the hometown of several famous Argentines, including revolutionary Che Guevara and football legend Lionel Messi. With its combination of culture, history, and vibrant energy, Rosario is a must-visit destination. Salta, in Argentina's northwest, is a city steeped in colonial charm and Andean traditions. Surrounded by red mountains and valleys, Salta is known for its beautifully preserved Spanish architecture, including the stunning Salta Cathedral and the Cabildo. The city's rich history is matched by its warm, welcoming atmosphere. Nearby, visitors can journey through the Calchaquí valleys or take the legendary train to the clouds, one of the highest railways in the world. Salta's empanadas, folk music, and colorful festivals make it a cultural gem in a breathtaking natural setting. Ushuaia, the southernmost city in the world, lies at the tip of Tierra del Fuego and is often called the end of the world. Surrounded by mountains and the Beagle Channel, Ushuaia offers unparalleled access to dramatic landscapes, including glaciers, forests, and the Southern Ocean. The city is a gateway to Antarctica and a base for expeditions into the wilds of Patagonia. Travelers can explore Tierra del Fuego National Park, sail alongside sea lions, or take a ride on the historic end-of-the-world train. Ushuaia's rugged beauty and adventurous spirit make it a bucket list destination. San Juan, located just north of Mendoza, is another prominent wine-producing region known for its sun-soaked valleys and tranquil pace. The city is a great starting point for exploring the Isquigualasto Provincial Park, also known as the Valley of the Moon, a surreal landscape filled with unusual rock formations and dinosaur fossils. San Juan is also home to elegant tree-lined streets, historic squares, and warm hospitality. Wine lovers will enjoy visiting local bodegas, where Syrah and other varietals flourish. San Juan offers a peaceful yet enriching experience in Argentina's arid northwest. San Miguel de Tucumán, often referred to simply as Tucumán, holds a special place in Argentine history as the city where the country declared its independence in 1816. Today, visitors can explore Casa Histórica de la Independencia and other colonial landmarks that speak to its revolutionary past. The city is also known for its vibrant student population, which brings a youthful energy to its cafes, parks, and cultural festivals. Set against the backdrop of the Tucumán Hills, the city blends historical significance with modern vitality and offers easy access to beautiful natural reserves. Mar del Plata, located on the Atlantic coast, is Argentina's premier beach resort city. During the summer months, it comes alive with locals and tourists seeking sun, sand, and sea. The city features wide beaches, a bustling boardwalk, elegant casinos, and lively nightlife. It's also known for its seafood cuisine and cultural events, such as the Mar del Plata International Film Festival. While the beaches are the main draw, visitors will also find museums, shopping centers, and scenic parks. Mar del Plata blends coastal relaxation with urban energy, making it a top choice for a summer getaway. From the bustling streets of Buenos Aires to the icy shores of Ushuaia, Argentina's cities offer a tapestry of experiences that reflect the country's incredible diversity and spirit. Whether you're sipping Malbec in Mendoza, dancing to folk rhythms in Salta, or hiking through the Patagonian wilderness in Bariloche, each city opens a door to a new world. These top 10 cities capture the essence of Argentina, its beauty, culture, resilience, and charm. Every journey through Argentina is a journey through time, taste, and terrain. You'll discover the warmth of its people, the rhythm of its streets, and the soul of a nation that thrives in contrast. From colonial architecture to modern skylines, Argentina's cities are a fusion of old and new. The landscapes change, but the passion remains. Fiery, poetic, and unmistakably Argentine. Whether you're a nature lover, foodie, or history buff, there's something here just for you. So pack your bags and let Argentina's cities inspire your next great adventure.